Hey humans, I'm Miles the Cannapup, Chief Security Pup at Cannabis Technology Partners. Be honest, did you buy your cameras before you had a real surveillance plan? We see it all the time. Cannabis companies grab a camera kit, bolt everything up, pass an inspection, and only then wonder, will this system actually protect us if something goes wrong? That's where the trouble hides. Blind spots at the back door, POS, cash room, inventory, or waste. By the time you find out you're missing footage, it's already too late. My human Steve isn't just a camera installer. He's a former CIO in highly regulated industries. So we don't start with, which cameras do you want? We start with, what are you trying to protect and what do you need to see on video if something goes wrong? First, we audit what you already have. We map every camera to your floor plan, check resolution and retention, and look for gaps at doors, POS, vault, inventory, and waste. Good news? Most of the time, 50 to 80% of your gear can be reused, and we give you options, not ultimatums. Option 1, optimize what you own. Move the cameras to the right spots, fix retention settings, lock down passwords, and add only what you truly need. Option 2, a hybrid upgrade. Keep decent cameras in low-risk areas. Add higher resolution cameras where regulators care most. Entrances, POS, vault, waste, and upgrade storage so you actually meet state rules. Option 3, future-ready design. Standardized surveillance across locations, centralized monitoring, and plan for your next store before you open the doors. Perfect for multi-location or multi-state operators. And we phase everything by risk and budget. Phase 1, fix the red zones, POS, entrances, vault, back doors, waste. Phase 2, better visibility in inventory, production, and parking. Phase 3, standardization and integration as you grow. Dispensaries, grows, manufacturers, each get a surveillance design that match how you move product, cash, and people. Same cameras, maybe. Same design, never. So, if you already bought cameras and you're planning a new facility and don't want to overspend, don't just buy more boxes, get a plan. I'm Miles the Cannapup with Cannabis Technology Partners. Schedule a free, no-obligation security assessment, and we'll help you design cannabis video surveillance around your business, not just the box on the shelf.